Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are brand new, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And you guys,
Hi, I'm also here.
Yeah, Kit Kat's here. Say hi, Kit Kat. Hi, Kit Kat.
Hello. Hi. Hi, Kit Kat.
Yeah, I did a little joke with her saying she was like, say goodbye, Clutch. And I was like, bye, Clutch. You guys, so we are going to be doing a giveaway. And you guys, remember, it is sort of a poopy item, but it is free, so you guys can just always enter. And this,
like 1,000 gems. So
yeah, this, when you recycle it, it's worth like 1,000 gems. So you guys, if you are running,
if you need a lot of gems, then that's probably
yeah, if you guys need gems, that's always good. I'm the one who needs it the most. But you guys, I did lose subscribers. Well, technically, I used to have 20, but then I went down to 16, and then I got one. And when I woke up this morning, I had 4 subscribers.
Actually lost 2 subscribers, so.
Yeah, Kit Kat lost 2 subscribers. She used to have 80, and then I earned it by pets and stuff like that, and I just did this, so I technically just said, sub to me. If you do, I'll sub back. Technically is what you do. Kit Kat.
So like, enter just, like, comment, and subscribe.
All that good stuff like that. And
like,
you guys,
your username down below.
yeah, you guys have
subscribe
to.
me because I have a better channel.
You guys have to subscribe, and if you guys want a bonus, you have to subscribe to Kit Kat's channel, and you can.
So like,
Can I please talk?
So like, you get an extra.
Yeah, you get like an extra item, and you guys, to enter the giveaway, you have to do your if you have to subscribe to me. We will check, and you guys also have to please. Alright guys, I'm sorry for kicking over there. Now you can't hear her because I turned her volume all the way down. But you guys, alright, I turned her all the way down. Alright, you guys, so Kit Kat's talking, but nobody can hear. But also, you guys, so technically, if you want a bonus, you have to subscribe to me and Kit Kat's channel. Turn on the notification bell. I guess that's optional. And to like this video is also optional, you guys. But if you guys remember, you guys, it is totally free. So and if you need gems, then that's technically how you would do it. It is a poopy item, but you guys, thank you so much. I had 18. Somebody unsubscribed to me. Oh my gosh, somebody unsubscribed to me. I was at 18, but then somebody subscribed to me. I'm just gonna say 2, 1, so. Alright guys, so you guys, technically that is all for today, and you guys, I will be picking the winners with wheel size and a wheel, and it picks, so like Spanish, you know, like can't decide, wheel side decides for you, and all that good stuff like that. So I would enter your name down below. Kit Kat's already in it, and all that stuff like that. So you guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and say goodbye on Animal Jam, Kit Kat, since nobody can hear you. Say bye. I keep on having 18, but then these people keep on unsubscribing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and good.